hurt and involved in accidents, that sort of thing. Tonight's our topic. We've got Jeff, who is in Gadsden. We're going to move to his call next. Hey, Jeff.
Hey.
Hey, good evening.
Good evening.
What's on your mind?
Well, my daughter had a wreck, and I heard him talking about contributory negligence.
Sure.
And my daughter had a wreck, and they were deeming it her fault. When I looked at the police report,
Okay.
it doesn't look like it's her fault. And I was just wondering what, the contributory negligence from the other driver is what is on my mind. Do we have a case there, or do we deem it, let the insurance company take care of it?
Okay. All right. Thanks for your call. Andrew?
Talk contrib.
Well, how old is your daughter?
She's 21.
Okay. Do you know how old the other driver is?
18.
Okay. In Alabama, when you're dealing with children, there's something called the rule of sevens, which says that really up until the age of 14, there's different standards for who can be held contributory negligent. But in your situation, those really don't apply. I mean, your daughter's under your care, obviously, still, but she can be held contributory negligent, which what that means is the law is going to look and see what kind of conduct everybody in a car accident displayed and decide, basically a jury would decide, or a judge, depending upon what the damages are, who's liable. And the law says that if you're 1% liable for a car accident and you file a lawsuit for that car accident, then potentially you may not be able to recover damages. In practice, people generally just seem to decide on juries who's at fault and make the decision that way. Would you say that, Ken?
Yeah, I agree. And for something like the caller here, I wouldn't necessarily take what's in an accident report to be the gospel. I can't tell you how many times we've sent out an investigator to do an investigation and talk with witnesses, talk with people that may be around the scene, and have learned, after a client has told us, look, this accident report's wrong. And we go out and learn that, in fact, it is wrong. And in a situation where there would be contributory negligence that may cause some problems for that claim, it turns out that we've actually been able to show the truth and show where the person who caused the wreck was actually at fault. So I wouldn't give up just yet on that. I would make sure that a proper investigation is done before I turn it over to the insurance company.
All right, good point.